students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is evaluate integration x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 dx. So let's see what we'll do. We will take, in these two terms we can see x square is common. So let's take x square common. Then it will become x minus 1 plus, again we have x minus 1, and in denominator as well we have x minus 1 dx. Now this x minus 1 and x minus 1 will cancel out. So this will become integration of x square plus 1 dx. Correct? So integration of x square will become x cube by 3. Integration of 1 will become x, and plus c, since it is a indefinite integration. So our final answer will be x cube by 3 plus x plus c. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.